Today, I'm sharing a simple and affordable remedy available in most homes that can fully treat various skin conditions, as well as wrinkles, hair issues, split ends, and dandruff. With God's help, it can even treat eczema, burns, infections, foul foot odors, and diabetic foot ulcers. Modern doctors and extensive recent research have highlighted its many benefits. Stay with us until the end of the video, where we will discuss its advantages in detail and our specific treatment methods, God willing. Today, we are talking about the benefits of the aloe vera plant. It offers immense benefits for the body, both internally and externally. It is considered the premier treatment for face tightening and treating body wrinkles, with results appearing from the very first use. It tightens the face within 5 minutes with an unparalleled effect. Everyone should grow it at home to benefit from its many uses. It is the top natural hair strengthener. It treats the hair follicles, strengthens the hair, and stops hair loss, unlike harmful synthetic products. It also treats scalp fungus, eczema, and psoriasis that develop on the scalp and lead to dandruff, and it is excellent for those with frizzy hair that is difficult to style. We are talking about natural aloe vera gel extracted directly from the plant. This gel is mixed with equal parts of pure natural honey to make its effect even more powerful. It is applied to the hair, face, or body as desired for 1 hour, then washed off with lukewarm water. The treatment period typically lasts from 1 to 2 weeks. It can also be mixed with natural hair oils. If someone uses specific oils, the gel increases the oil's density and helps it stay on the hair more effectively. Furthermore, it is considered a treatment for stomach ulcers, Pylori, and severe inflammation of the stomach and esophagus. You simply take a small amount of the aloe vera gel and consume it directly. Although it has a bitter taste, its benefits for the stomach are significant, providing relief within a minute. It is also a definitive treatment for bedsores, infections, and foul odors in the feet and the groin area, making it a true medical treasure for all skin problems without exception. We mix the aloe vera gel with pure natural honey in equal parts for maximum potency. It is also used as a treatment for gangrene by applying it directly to the skin and wrapping it with medical gauze from evening until morning. I consider it the primary treatment for skin issues. Even on its own without honey, it offers great benefits, but mixing it with honey significantly boosts its effectiveness. The typical treatment duration is 1 to 2 weeks. It is necessary to consult a specialized doctor before anything. We ask God to grant healing to all patients.